My name is Greg Shondell here with Himalaya. Behind me is a 1966 Series 88 reimagined by our team in Charleston, South Carolina. And today we're going to be taking a closer look. Starting with the foundation of the vehicle, we departed from the leaf sprung suspension and went with a custom coil sprung chassis, which was paired with larger axles to give the vehicle a more modern stance. From there, we added a performance disc brake package as well as a power steering system to give the driver more control over the vehicle. As we were considering engines for this platform, we wanted something that not only had modern power and performance, but also an engine that has a high level of serviceability. The 6.2-liter GM LS3 engine was a natural fit. This particular build was set up with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Coming in at 425 horsepower, this engine certainly doesn't lack power. This is an outstanding engine whether you're on a slow cruise around town or keeping up with traffic on the freeway. On the inside of the vehicle, we wanted to elevate the interior, but not stray too far from the classic look and feel. The Series 2 dash is quite possibly the most iconic dash in automotive. Modern gauges were chosen that not only integrate with the GM engine, but that also fit within the factory gauge bezel. Our in-house upholstery team created a beautiful interior finished in tan leather with wood accents, including the steering wheel, accents on the center console, and a custom rear floor finished in mahogany and ash. From a technology perspective, it was important that we were as discreet as possible. A custom center console was built to house a modern audio package with Bluetooth connectivity. USB charging ports were hidden throughout the vehicle, and heated seats were added. From afar, this Land Rover Series 88 retains the iconic look it had as it rolled off the factory floor in 1966. But once you get behind the wheel, it's undeniably something very different.